Nathan K5HLB. Nathan K5H/K5L. Nathan K5HL. Nathan K5LA. Nathan K5LLA. Nathan K3L/K3H. Nathan K3HA/K3LA. Nathan K3HL. Nathan K2H, number 1. Nathan K2H, number 2. Nathan K2H, number 3. Nathan M5, number 1. Nathan M5, number 2. Nathan M3, number 1. Nathan M3, number 2. Nathan M3H, number 1. Nathan M3H, number 2. Old Cast Nathan P5. New Cast Nathan P5. Old Cast Nathan P5A. P5A new with all new cast bells except for the 4A. Old Cast Nathan P01235. Nathan P01235, all new cast bells except for the 0 bell. Old Cast Nathan P3. Nathan P2 number 1, Old Cast. Nathan P2 number 2, Old Cast. Nathan P2 number 3, Old Cast. Nathan P2 number 4, Old Cast. Nathan P2 number 1, New Cast. Nathan P2 number 2, New Cast. Nathan P2 number 3, New Cast. Nathan P2 number 4, Old Cat Mixed Cast. Now this is one of the unique ones. Nathan's C5A-CWP. Nathan J3 Snowplow whistle. Now finally moving on to the Leslies. Leslie S2B. Leslie S2M. Leslie S3K. Leslie S3L. Leslie S4T. Now the king of them all, the Leslie S5T. Prime 920 number 1. Prime 920 number 2. Hancock 4700 air whistle. And last but not least, the Hancock 4735 retune, the one the Virginia and Truckee D1 uses.